आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ टू सॉल्व अ रूबिक क्यूब। आपने प्रीवियस पार्ट में देखा होगा आई सॉल्व दिस इन ऑलमोस्ट 3 मिनट्स। यू कैन ऑल्सो सॉल्व दिस बाय फॉलोइंग दिस वीडियो। सॉल्व करने से पहले आपको इस क्यूब के बेसिक्स पता होना चाहिए। इट हैज़ 6 साइड्स 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 3 layers, first layer, second layer and third. And there are 3 different types of pieces in it. Corner piece, these are the corners. Edge, these are the edges. And center piece. Corner piece, for example, this red, yellow and green. It has 3 colors in it. Edge has 2, red and white. Center has only 1. Center piece never changes, never moves. First step we're gonna do is to solve these corners. For solving these corners we have to follow several steps. First step is to find the corner. Second step is to make sure that the corner is in the optimum position. Optimum position means when the red side is facing upward, the red piece of the corner is looking straight at you. Third step is to placing this corner between its 2 appropriate centers. Now let's move on to solve this. First step is to find the corner. Here we go. Red, blue and yellow. This corner is in its optimum position. Now bring this corner between its 2 appropriate centers. Final step is to placing this corner into here. To do this, move it away. Bring down the left, place it and lift it up. You can see we placed this corner into its right position. Now we're gonna move toward other corner. First step is to find the corner. Here we go. Red, green and yellow. Second step is to bring this corner into its optimum position. Red piece of the corner is not pointing at us. Now twist like this. Side it away. Bring down the right. Place it and lift it up. अब हम इस कॉर्नर को सॉल्व करेंगे. First we have to find red, yellow and blue. For placing this corner right into here, move it away, bring down the right, place it and lift it up. Now we're gonna solve last corner. First we have to find, here it is red, blue and white. Now bring this corner into its optimum position. Again red piece of the corner is not pointing at us, so twist like this, side it away, move down the right, place it and lift it up. Now you can see we placed all corners in the right position. अब हम इसके एजेस को सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड वेयर द रेड एंड येलो एज इज प्लेस्ड. हियर इट इज रेड एंड येलो. नाउ ट्विस्ट लाइक दिस, येलो येलो. फॉर प्लेसिंग दिस एज इनटू हियर, साइड इट अवे, ब्रिंग डाउन, प्लेस इट इन, लिफ्ट इट अप. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस एज, रेड एंड ब्लू. For placing this edge into here, slide it away, bring down, place it in, lift it up. Now we're gonna solve this edge, red and white. Move it down, twist it, lift it up. अब हमारा लास्ट एज रह गया है रेड एंड ग्रीन. Move it until these are aligned. Now bring it down, place it in, lift it up. We completed our first layer. अब हम इसकी सेकेंड लेयर को सॉल्व करेंगे. सेकेंड लेयर को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें इसकी बेस को देखना होगा. बेस में सबसे पहले उस एज को मूव करना है जिसमें ऑरेंज कलर नहीं है. For example, green and white has no orange color in it. Realign this white color. अब यहाँ पे ग्रीन कलर है. ग्रीन इसकी राइट साइड पे है. जिस साइड पे होगा उस साइड से अवे मूव करना है. Move it away, bring it down, place it and lift it up. have to correct it. Now again look at the base. Green and yellow has no orange color in it. Realign these colors. Green is at the left, so side it away. Bring down the left, place it and lift it up. Now you can see हर एज में ऑरेंज कलर है. सो इस कंडीशन में आप इसको किसी भी तरफ मूव कर सकते हैं, आइदर एट राइट और लेफ्ट. Again blue and yellow has no orange color in it. Realign these colors. Yellow is at the left side, so move it away, bring down the left, place it and lift it up. Two layers completed. Now we're gonna solve our third layer. It either look like this, cross shaped, L shaped, rod shaped or simply a dot. Its two sides are aligned and to different sides में से one must be at your right side and one must be pointing at you. Now we apply this algorithm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Only this corner is at its right position. अब हम इस कॉर्नर को बॉटम राइट पे रखेंगे. अप्लाई दिस एल्गोरिथम हियर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ऑल द कॉर्नर्स आर एट द राइट पोजीशन. अब हमने इन ऑरेंज कलर को अब साइड पे लेके आने के लिए इस एल्गोरिथम को फॉलो करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same at the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. अगेन हम वही स्टेप्स करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.